G63 2014 model, upgrade 2024, fully changed complete interior with dashboard, door panels, gear console, complete full steering wheel, the longer screen, ambient light, the AC panel, as you can see, complete fully console, gear before shutdown, right now is off. Behind the steering wheel, complete fully, as you can see, complete console, gear, dashboard, and the screen, steering wheel, fully ambient light, AC panel, same like original. Welcome to Cardiction Auto Accessories TR LLC, Sharjah. Right now, with the starlight, complete fully new chair, new seat, behind seat, VIP seat, massager seat, complete, and the front seat same like G63 2024 model, fully changed. As you can see, complete the roof light, everything changed.